Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video, I just want to deep condition my hair using this avocado. Guys, like almost a year now, I never used any stuff but deep condition, not even the DIY. So for the past, let me say 11 months, this is my first time of adding something to say deep condition. This is the DIY own, this DIY version of deep conditioning your hair. So I have here with me avocado, just one big size and one small size, as you can see. So I'm just going to take the food of the avocado and remove the skin. So guys, this is what I'm doing. No matter that small I will do there. She won't help out miss. So I'm just going to remove the skin just like so. You can also keep the skin. The skin is also useful. So just remove the skin just like so. Then I will just keep the avocado inside my bowl. Just cut it little like this. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for coming back to watch my new video. I really do appreciate you all. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that anytime I drop a new video like this or any other video on my channel, you will be the first person to know. So yeah, if you are used to DIY, you must have known that avocado is amazing product for our hair, and it also helps to moisturize, keep your hair in a very good condition. So now this is the second one. See how this one you're fresh. You'll be like say my the shop and you're using shop bread. I'll still shop for inside because it's too fresh. Like when I get belle, I eat a lot of avocado. I shop avocado, so the avocado see me they run. So wow, see how this one fresh. I buy this one for Lidl. Why the big one? Buy am for Africa shop. You don't take shower when they inside fridge. Just dey there because as I can't bond the thing can't tire because I too shop when I get belle. So now I want to use to condition my hair. This is really nice guy because don't take when I do DIY and treatment for my hair, even stop but deep conditioner. So that one now they go inside my mouth. I must chop for inside. So the next thing I'm going to add to is onions guy. You can use one full onions, you can use half, just use any onion, white or red, purple, green, any one that you have in your kitchen, you can use it as well. If you want to use full onions, you can also use that as well. So I just use this one cook remain. So I add tangerine because onion is also another amazing product for our health. So just sit there, I'm going to tell you the benefits of these two products that I'm going to use to deep condition my hair today. So I know I go off camera to blend the product together, as you can see how smooth and nice it look now. Oh guys, this one is going to be an amazing smooth. If you drink this, just put small water, add milk, they blend these two together. It's going to be so delicious. So now just pack everything, cook everything. This my small spoon, you cook because I don't want to add water till reach down. Make the thing not come the drop water for my hair. So I make sure say I cook around with my spoon. Even the cover the blender, I also make sure say I cook everything inside my bowl just like so. If you want, you can add oil to it. At this point you can add any oil of your choice to it. Okay, so me, I'm not going to add any oil to this because I have oil for my hair, oil in my head. Oil in my hair already. So if you don't, maybe you wash your hair before you do this treatment, you have to add oil to it. So if your hair is already have a lot of oil like me now, my hair get like grease on my hair, so I'm not going to be adding oil. So this is my hair, I never wash. I want to use this one as pre-deep condition my hair. Like I never wash my hair with shampoo or anything, I just lose my hair. So I want to use this gel powder as a pre-deep condition my hair just like so. As you can see, first of all I'm going to spray some water on my hair to break down the tangle or whatever is on my hair. Don't mind that face, all of them want you show for my video today. I don't know what I do those children. All of them want show for my video. When I go chat to our channel, when I leave my channel alone for me, I beg. So now I just add some more water to my hair so you can see how think dark and beautiful. If I tell you say I never did condition my hair for like 11 months now, will you believe? Will you believe? All I use just shampoo. I said I want to do condition my hair. I was really excited, but I not get chance now. I get two children, small children. When this one will cry, the other one will cry. Where the time they to do condition my hair? So I said I'll apply this one in the morning, early in the morning. I apply this one, I say they sleep. So before I can do hair choice, do all this one, do that, the thing come really stay for my hair for a very long time, like almost like 3 hours. Then when I finish, I just wash it off with my shampoo. There's no time for me again to decoration my hair because they don't wake up, okay? And I just put to bed like a month now. So in case you are new to my channel, so announcement. So now that's why I did not really decondition my hair again, but I will still decondition my hair, okay? But this one is also like DIY deconditioner pre-push and whatever it is. So I'm just going to continue to add this product to my hair as you can see me doing right now, okay? So guys, let's talk about the benefits of using onions for our health. Onion juice is rich in sulfur that prevents breakage and thinning hair. Sulfur is essential for the hair, for the regrowth of our hair follicles. Onion juice is loaded with antioxidants that may help to prevent premature graying of the hair. Onions also help to nourish your hair and prevent your hair from breaking. So if you have like your hair is breaking, there's some people when they touch their hair, their hand will just full of hair. So onion juice can save you from that, okay? Just use it, use it. It will save you from that, okay? So here I'm trying to take a thumbnail. You see my hair, can you see the length? Can you see that length? Oh my god. So like onion juice is really amazing. It can help you to prevent your hair from graying. If you don't want quick get white hair, okay, just use onion every time. Use at the bath your hair so that your hair not quick get that green hair, okay? And if you want also, can also help you to nourish your hair and also prevent your hair from falling. If your hair is always falling, breaking and all that, onion juice is here to save you, okay? If you have a thinning hair, onion juice is also here to save you, to make your hair strong, okay? Make your hair strong and thick, okay? That is what these onions in this product that I'm using on my hair can do for you, okay? So now we talk about the onions. Let's talk about the avocado. I love avocado oil because it has that moisturize something that can help you to moisturize your hair. Like if your hair is always dry, avocado oil is one of the oil that you should consider using, or any product that have avocado oil in it. It's really so amazing. So avocado is rich in mineral like potassium and magnesium and vitamin like biotin, and it also help your hair to retain moisture, boost shine and elasticity, and also prevent breakage and split ends. So products with avocado oil in it is really so good. It can also help you to reduce flick flaking and dryness in your scalp, okay? If you use, maybe you have dandruff on your scalp, anytime your hair is always flaking, like the dandruff they come outside. I don't know, I want to talk. The dandruff is always, your hair is always white, okay? So and this one can also help you to prevent that, can help you moisturize your hair and your scalp as well, okay? So avocado oil is really so good, guys. It can also help you to promote healthy hair growth with vitamin K and vitamin B. So it have vitamin A and vitamin B in it. So and it's also very important for our hair growth. It can also help you to prevent your hair from drying. It can also provide growth to your hair as well. So using avocado on your hair, you can see how beneficial it is and how good it is for your hair, not only for your hair, also for your scalp as well, okay? So now I'm just going to continue to apply this deep conditioner to my hair, as you can see. So it's really so affordable. Like this DIY product is really so nice. You can even buy avocado I use half, eat half and use half for your hair. Onions is always in our kitchen. We can't do without onions now. So you always have onions in your kitchen. As you can see, those two products are so the products you can get anytime in your kitchen. So they are really so amazing and also good for our health. So if you like this video to this, you want to do the extent and you are not following, you are not liking, you are not subscribing, please do that before the end of this video. You can also share to your friends that you know that have this kind of issue, dry scalp, flaking in the scalp, dryness, and breaking, or whatever problem they have. Just share this video to them. It can also be of help to them. So guys, yeah, you can see I am done with my hair. I'm done applying all the products to my hair. So at some part I added water and I noticed that the product is going to be running down my body. So I stopped using water on my hair. Then I just use just the product. Thank you for watching today's video. I really do appreciate. Bye.